Hi guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. Pretty short tutorial, and today I'm gonna teach you how to paint lovely cupcake in a watercolor style. I will use my own watercolor brush set. You can use your own or even native Procreate brushes for that. That's so simple. And let's go. But before we start painting, if you like my class, if you want to see more videos, please subscribe, thumbs up, and let's paint together. Hi guys, hello everyone. During our today's tutorial, we're gonna paint this lovely cupcake in a watercolor style, and I already prepared for you some sketches. I found this picture on the website unsplash.com. And by the way, I have one class at the website Skillshare, where I also have same topic cupcakes, and I prepared lots of brushes that might help you to create beautiful illustration. Well, but during our today's class, we're gonna paint my watercolor brush set, which is called Procreate BooStudio, and I think we are ready to do that. We need to create a new layer that is underneath of our sketching layer. Like that. After that, I will switch to purple color. Maybe a little bit lighter, because I'm gonna go and make our cupcake colorful. I know in picture we have brown, but I want to change our style a little bit. This pink color. Speaking about cream, I want it to be pretty light yellow. I also will add different color variations later. To have pink color. Later we'll switch our brush to another one, and I will add some volume and green color. Okay, now blending tool, don't forget about that. As a blending tool, we're gonna use watercolor smudger. And you can smudge some very sharp lines, but no need to smudge everything entirely. Okay, for now pretty lovely, guys. I want to create actually background, so I will create a new layer that is underneath of everything, and after that I will go and switch the brush, the color of my brush to, I think I want to have this light green color somewhere over there, and I will change my brush to Boost Salted. Go to adjustments, press hue, saturation, brightness, and press layer. And now I want to increase the brightness, saturation of course, and I want to play with the color, think which color I like most. After that, I will go and duplicate our layer and make it, you see, more saturated, so I will merge it together. So next step, I need to get rid of transparency, and in this way I go to our plate layer. I will lower the opacity till 50% and after merge it together because I want to have very saturated plate. Duplicate it one more time, go to lower layer, adjustments, hue, saturation, brightness, press layer and turn brightness to maximum. Duplicate it a few times, merge together, duplicate, merge together and merge together, like this. After that, I do same with our cupcake. To go to our cupcake and press hue, saturation and brightness, and I want to have it a little bit more saturated, like that. I want to add some shades, and in this way I will start with our plate. I will create a new layer and I will press clipping mask, so now I can paint just on our area where we have our plate, and I still have BooStudio watercolor brush. Okay, here, same we're gonna do with our cupcake, clipping mask mode. And I will create a new layer. And I will change the brush to, let me find this, to Bull Flat Watercolor brush. And I'm gonna go and just add some rough lines. Grab blending tool and just blend some sharp edges. So that means that we have our main line, but it will not be that obvious, that bright, that sharp. Just blend the edges. And we keep the line, but at the same time it's very natural and very blended, well blended. This blending tool is actually very good if you want to reach this loose watercolor look. Okay, I think we are ready to turn off our sketching layer. We don't need it anymore. And ta-da! That's our amazing cupcake. And my final details, guys, I will go and just merge all of it together. I'm gonna add some color variations and shades. We don't need our reference picture anymore, so we will turn it off. And I will go to adjustment. First of all, I will go to the selection tool, press freehand. And I want to add some shades and highlights. Feather 13%, hue, saturation and brightness layer. And you can increase, I'm gonna increase and add some highlights to our lovely cupcake. Now I want to show some shades, and for that I will select some areas that need to be in the shadow. I will feather that in 5%. After go to hue, saturation and brightness, and lower the brightness, increase saturation, because you need to show some shades. And final detail, I'm gonna go to our background, same freehand. I like to make different color variations, it's pretty lovely. So after that we merge it together. My next step is I will go to the selection tool, press rectangle, and I'm gonna select this area like that, and after press copy and paste. And ta-da! We have our amazing cupcake in a watercolor style. Guys, if you like my class, please subscribe, thumbs up, and if you want to share with me your own artworks, you can tag me in Instagram. And see each other in a new video. Bye bye!